Imagine walking into a bank and your credit report is telling a story about you. But one chapter was written by a thief. A fake phone bill, a fake credit card, or a fake loan can make you look risky when you did nothing wrong. That is why identity theft is different from a normal dispute. You are not arguing a detail. You are saying, this account is not mine at all. Here's what you'll learn in today's class. Discover how to quickly remove identity theft from your report. Unlock the power of the FCRA Section 605B block. Learn the steps to file your FTC identity theft report. Create a certified mail package that works. Find out what to expect after blocking fraudulent accounts. Let's get started. Here are some key terms for this lesson. Section 605B, a part of the FCRA that lets victims of identity theft ask credit bureaus to. Certified mail, a mailing method that gives you proof that you sent something. Now, let's jump in. Here is the eye-opening part. A regular credit dispute can feel like waiting in the long grocery checkout line. The bureau usually has about 30 days to investigate. But for true identity theft, FCRA Section 605B is more like a fast pass. If you send the correct package, the credit bureau must block the listed fraud items within 4 business days after they receive it. FCRA means Fair Credit Reporting Act. It is the rulebook for credit reports. Section 605B says that if identity theft put bad items on your report, you can ask the bureaus to block those items from showing. Think of it like telling a school, that grade is not mine because someone else took the test using my name. The school cannot treat that fake grade like it belongs to you. The first step is not writing a random letter. Start at identitytheft.gov. That is the FTC website for identity theft. FTC means Federal Trade Commission, the government agency that helps consumers with fraud. You answer questions about what happened, then you create an FTC identity theft report. This report is the key piece that turns your request from a normal complaint into an identity theft block request. Now think of this like packing a recipe box. If one ingredient is missing, the recipe may not work. For each bureau, mail a complete package by certified mail. Include proof of identity, a copy of your FTC identity theft report, a clear list of the fake accounts, and a signed statement saying these accounts are not yours. Certified mail gives you a receipt, like a tracking number for your rights. Certified mail may sound old school, but it is powerful. It is like taking a photo of your grocery receipt before leaving the store. If someone says, "We never got it," you can show when it was sent and delivered. With credit bureaus, timing matters. The 4-business day clock starts after they receive a complete identity theft block request, so proof of delivery matters. Once the bureau blocks the fraud item, they must also notify the company that reported it. That company is often called the furnisher, which means the creditor or collector sending data to the bureau. After notice, that creditor cannot sell or transfer that debt to a collector as if it were yours. It is like putting a stop sign on a bad package before it gets passed to the next driver. This fast path is serious. It is only for true identity theft, not for accounts you opened, not for charges you regret, not for old collections you wish were gone. Filing a false identity theft report can create real legal trouble. Smart credit repair is like using the correct key for the correct door. If the account is truly fake, use 605B. If it is accurate, use a different legal strategy.